Is it time to buy or sell Supermicro Computer stock? In this video, we are diving deep into Supermicro Computer. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, the 13th of November, 2024, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 30th of October, 2024, our system has identified Supermicro Computer as a strong sell candidate, assigning it a score of -6.61. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has experienced a decline of 38.52%. This equates to an average daily loss of 3.5% since it was designated as a strong sell candidate. The stock currently sits at the lower end of a very wide and declining trend in the short term, which often presents a favorable buying opportunity. If the lower trend floor at $19.22 is breached, it would signal an acceleration in the downward movement. The current 3-month trend indicates a potential decrease of approximately 36.7% over the next 3 months, with possible returns ranging from a decline of 40.15% to an increase of 39.8%. Looking at the 12-month trend, it suggests a slight decline of about 1.22% over the next year, with potential returns varying between a drop of 1.22% and an increase of 472.45%. This translates to a price range from $20.08 to $116.38 after a year. Our latest daily update for Supermicro Computer features the headline, "Is Supermicro Computer stock still a buy after falling 6.14% on Wednesday?" On the last trading day, which was Wednesday, the 13th of November, 2024, the stock price for Supermicro Computer declined by 6.14%, dropping from $21.66 to $20.33. This marks the 4th consecutive day of decline. Throughout the last trading session, the stock experienced fluctuations of 7.49%, ranging from a day low of $20.28 to a day high of $21.80. The price has decreased in 8 out of the last 10 days, resulting in an overall decline of 38.52% during this period. Notably, trading volume increased by 11 million shares on the last day, despite the falling prices. This trend may signal an early warning, indicating that risk levels could slightly increase over the next few days. In total, 51 million shares were traded, amounting to approximately $1.03 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest recorded price of the stock was $122.90, while the lowest price reached $20.20. Currently, the stock price stands 83.46%, or $102.57, below the 52-week high of $122.90, which also represents the all-time high for the stock. Supermicro Computer, or SMCI, is currently experiencing considerable turmoil as it grapples with timely financial reporting and the risk of being delisted from the Nasdaq. As of mid-November 2024, shares have dropped approximately 54% over the past month and are down about 25% year-to-date. The recent announcement regarding delays in filing its fiscal first quarter results, along with the search for a new auditor, has heightened concerns among investors. This anxiety is exacerbated by the resignation of Ernst & Young due to governance and transparency issues. Investors are especially worried about the impending deadline on November 16th by which SMCI must file the necessary reports or present a plan to the exchange to avert delisting. These circumstances have not only caused a decline in stock prices, but have also brought intense scrutiny to the company's accounting practices, as emphasized by a critical report from Hindenburg Research. The short-term outlook for SMCI appears grim, with further stock price declines likely if the company does not meet its filing obligations. In the long run, recovery will hinge on the company's ability to rebuild investor confidence through enhanced governance and timely financial disclosures. The ongoing challenges may dissuade potential investors, presenting a significant hurdle for SMCI as it navigates this crucial period. Analyst ratings. On Wednesday, the 6th of November, 2024, it was reported that Needham assigned SMCI a mixed rating with a hold recommendation. On the same day, Citigroup also rated SMCI as reduce, maintaining a hold position. Earlier, on Wednesday, the 2nd of October, 2024, Barclays gave SMCI an equal weight rating, again with a hold recommendation. On Monday, the 23rd of September, 2024, Loop Capital Markets rated SMCI as a buy while keeping a hold stance. Lastly, on Wednesday, the 18th of September 2024, Needham rated SMCI as a buy with an initialize action. Analysts have given Supermicro computer stock a general buy rating. They assess the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. For return on investment, the analysts assign the stock a strong buy rating. The following signals have been identified for Supermicro computer. Currently, there are few to no positive technical signals. The stock of Supermicro computer shows sell signals from both short-term and long-term moving averages, indicating a more negative outlook. Additionally, a general sell signal arises from the relationship between these averages, where the long-term average is positioned above the short-term average. In the event of upward corrections, there will be resistance at $23.66 and $39.20. A breakout above either of these levels would trigger buy signals. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Tuesday, the 29th of October, 2024, and since then, the stock has experienced a decline of 58.61%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Furthermore, there is presently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Volume increased alongside falling prices yesterday, which could serve as an early warning, suggesting that the stock should be monitored more closely. Here are some additional signals you might find noteworthy. Moving average convergence divergence, indicating a sell signal. Pivots, suggesting a sell signal from 12 days ago. Bollinger Bands, indicating a buy signal from 11 days ago. Short-term moving average, reflecting a sell signal from 12 days ago. Long-term moving average, also showing a sell signal from 12 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 12 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we observe short moving average, indicating a sell signal from 12 days ago. Long-term moving average, showing a sell signal from 87 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 111 days ago. For more signals, remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support risk and stop loss for Supermicro computer. There is no support from accumulated volume below today's level. Given the right conditions, the stock may perform poorly in the coming days. This stock may experience significant daily fluctuations, and with a wide prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, it is classified as very high risk. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated $1.52 between its high and low, representing a percentage change of 7.49. Over the last week, the stock has demonstrated an average daily volatility of 10.49%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for Supermicro computer, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the P/E ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its per-share earnings. A relatively low P/E ratio might indicate either a low expectation for the company's future or that the stock is undervalued, suggesting a potential buying opportunity. In other news, the next earnings report for the fourth quarter of 2024 is anticipated on the 27th of January, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are at $0.75. Keep a close watch on these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Supermicro Computer. In the event of an upward trend, the initial resistance level for Supermicro Computer is at $22.70. If you do not currently own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before considering an entry. For those who already hold the stock, this could be a significant point to contemplate for swing trading. There is a lack of substantial support from accumulated volume below, indicating that the stock could potentially experience a sharp decline under certain circumstances. Exercise caution and consider placing trades only if you are an experienced trader capable of navigating such scenarios. The combined average rating for Supermicro Computer from various analyst sources is to buy. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. The 5 most recent insider trades were conducted by Liuliang Chu Sarah, who bought and sold 8,984 shares or options in the company. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we find that the insider power is negative, with a ratio of negative 19.681. In total, insiders acquired 3,523,251 shares and disposed of 5,261,807 shares in the last 100 trades. Our assessment of this stock is unfavorable, and there is currently no stop loss in place. Is Supermicro Computer stock a good buy? Currently, Supermicro Computer exhibits several concerning indicators and is positioned within a broad and declining trend. Consequently, we anticipate that its performance will remain weak over the coming days or weeks, leading us to a negative assessment of this stock. After evaluating the price fluctuations and movements from the most recent trading day, our analysis indicates that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Thursday, November 14th, we predict that Supermicro Computer will open at approximately 473 cents and commence trading at $20.80. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decisions on StockInvest.us. By using this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With best regards from all of us here at StockInvest.